Hey everybody, good morning and welcome to week 23. I'm going to quickly go over our assignments for this week so you know what you're doing. First, you will see the commercial roof system. So we're moving on from wall systems to now commercial roofs. And you're going to open up that PowerPoint, take some notes, and submit the notes. The PowerPoint just goes over the basics of commercial roof systems. So it goes over the shape, pitch, roofing materials, slope roof system, and then the roofing material for those slope roof systems. So you can click through that and see all the different parts. So take some notes on that, submit. You do have things written in the speaker notes, so check those out as well. And then you're going to be moving on to activity 3.1.4, which is the commercial roof systems assignment. So you're going to be working through this assignment to create the commercial roof for your Revit file. So you're going to have the new upper roof, which will just be your regular or your typical roof for a commercial building. And then you'll have your green roof with human foot traffic. So work through this assignment, answer the questions where it needs you to answer them, submit or insert screenshots where it wants you to insert screenshots, and then work in the Revit file. Go step by step. So the first step says select a low slope roof treatment for the upper roof and Keystone project. Incorporate your choice. And then it goes to research the low slope roof treatment and walking surfaces. Document them here. Then it says research green roofs and document those below. So here, model, create, and then it does tell you like paste a screenshot here, paste a screenshot here, type here. So I want you to work through that assignment and get those things submitted. I will be putting a video in demonstrating how I create the Revit roof assignment or how I create the Revit file. So you can check that out. You're going to be doing a section view just like last time, so that you should be familiar with. But if you have any questions, obviously feel free to shoot me a Schoology message or an email, and I will talk to you later. Hope you guys have a great week.